Schwa sounds. About. He told me about his weekend plans. Again. Can you explain that again? Family. My family enjoys hiking on weekends. Different. This dress is different from the one I tried earlier. President. The president gave a speech on television. Reason. There must be a reason for his behavior. Support. She gave her full support to the project. Surprise. His arrival was a complete surprise. Police. The police arrived at the scene quickly. Banana. I had a banana for breakfast. Problem. We need to find a solution to this problem. Memory. That song brings back a childhood memory. Message. I left you a message on your phone. Control. He has good control over his emotions. Appreciation. She showed her appreciation by writing a heartfelt thank you note. Communicate. It's important to communicate clearly in professional settings. Determination. His determination to succeed kept him motivated. Experimentation. Scientific progress depends on careful experimentation. Imagination. Her imagination helps her create wonderful stories. Consideration. Please take others' feelings into consideration before making a decision. Education. The program is designed to be both fun and educational. Celebration. They held a big celebration for her graduation. Observation. Careful observation of the stars helped early astronomers. Regulation. The new regulation requires companies to reduce emissions. Relaxation. A day at the spa is perfect for relaxation. Operation. The doctor performed a complicated operation. Information. The website provides useful information about the event. Alternative. We need to find an alternative solution to the problem. Administrative. She works in an administrative role at the university.